In this video, we're going to show you some solutions when your iPad's display is flickering or apps are glitching. First of all, check for any hardware defects and damage. If that is the case, contact Apple support and service your iPad right away. Next, True Tone and Night Shift can significantly impact how the iPad display appears. Drag the control center down on your iPad. Then, long press the brightness slider. Now tap on True Tone and Night Shift to disable them. Your iPad's current font size might be too big for certain apps. Here's how to fix it. Open Settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Ensure the bold text toggle is turned off. Then tap on Text Size. Drag the text size slider to the left to reduce iPad font size. The last resort to fix the display glitches on your iPad would be to reset your iPad. Here's how. Open Settings and navigate to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Opt for Erase All Content and Settings. Finish the reset process. Then, set up your iPad again and check. If the issue persists, contact Apple support for further assistance. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.